Hey everyone, I've got a hurricane update for you. We did have a big tree come down, but I'm going to tell you, I'm pretty lucky. This was the one tree I was worried about because it was hanging over the new workshop, and around midnight last night, the wind changed direction. It was blowing the tree towards the workshop for like 3 hours. The storm got past us to a point where the wind was blowing the opposite direction, and I'm going to show you. Here's the tree, and it fell just in the direction to miss the workshop. Now the Suburban is there. I had parked it there to kind of shield the door from wind, and so that would have gotten wrecked too. But it is a massive tree. I mean, I can't describe it. This would have destroyed that building. I mean, you can imagine what this weighs for reference. And that's not even the big one. So, yeah. The workshop survived. I got lucky. I don't know how this tree is going to come down. Don't think my little blue chainsaw is going to take that thing down. All right, that's the hurricane update. I'll talk to you soon. Hey everyone, it's 1 week after Hurricane Milton came through this area, and we're back up. Power's back up. Most of the damage has been repaired. Most people have power in this area now. Not everybody. There's even right down the street from me people who haven't been hooked up yet. But I wanted to put up a slideshow that kind of shows. I did the day after the hurricane. I took a ride in the avalanche around and took some photos of the devastation around, because this area was hit very hard. It was hit hard enough that the governor of Florida actually came here to inspect it. But the utility workers have been working around the clock. Most of the power's back, internet's back on, and you know, everyone that was in the path of this storm was affected in some way. I got off lucky. I have minor roof damage, some chimney damage, and of course this big tree, which you'll see. I've cut back most of it. Even when I was cutting it back, the neighbors came over and helped. A tree service, because it's still connected up there to the neighbor's tree. They're going to take that whole tree down. That tree service is going to take the rest of this out, hopefully soon. I know they're quite busy as well. But that's about what's going on. As I said, the workshop's back. It's got power. It wasn't destroyed, thankfully. And so, you know, we'll be getting back to normal soon. I hope everyone's doing okay. I know people have suffered some major damage. Fortunately for me, it didn't happen here. But anyway, we'll be back soon. Take care.